When I look at food, I don't see it anymore as something that tastes good, or I don't think about proteins and I don't think about carbohydrates, etc. How I see food is what I can eat that heals me. It has to taste good. I love food. Now, one of the most important things that I do is, in the morning, is celery juice. Anyone who knows me, you look on my website, you see that I have celery, I'm holding celery. So what I want to do is show you what I do every morning. It's like a ritual. And I make celery juice. 16 ounces, 500 milliliters of celery juice every morning. I use a slow masticating juicer. And what I do is I normally take the leaves off the stalks, just because the leaves are very good for you, but they're bitter. And when it's too bitter, you don't like it. Now, also celery is all different colors. Try to use organic celery when you can. It's better. It tastes better. And I will show you exactly what I do. Just slowly put it into the juicer. Probably about a bunch per day, per person. And at the end, you have something, which is this. Nothing. You don't add anything to it. So it's the first thing you do in the morning. 16 ounces of celery juice. No water, no ginger, nothing. This is medicinal. It's not calorific. And it will change your life because the salt clusters in here will take everything away. It's kind of like an inner enema. Anyway, it makes you lose weight. It improves your skin. I've been doing this for about 3 years.